Yo nation, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're making our ways to the art district in downtown LA for a car show and some festivities, and show you guys some old school ramflas, some bombs, maybe some lowriders. But hopefully you enjoy this video. Let's go.
Bounce, rock, roller skate. There's only one nation, no debate. Mix the funk with the silver and black vibes, rocking the two-step and killing the whack vibe. Bounce, rock, roller skate. Brown homies, black homies, white or Asian. If you cool, then alright, let's do this. The MC Raider show, it's time to tune in. Let me say a thing or two. My boy MC Raider, he's a fool. Non-stopping with the pop locking, such a hot topic. All you lames in the gang, please stop cock knocking. I'm South Central to Montebello, we mobbing through the night like Leonardo and Donatello. Cowabunga battle, if you know him, he's kinda mellow, but knows how to start the party like taking a shot of Jello. Always represent the Raider Nation and Laker gang. Respect to all the OGs in the past that have paved the way. Dance to the beat again, you're tapping your feet again. Controlling the crowd just like a stand-up comedian. He's happily seated in his whip and he's cruising the guy is in an all-black vest like the fools from the Mayans. Think it's about the time to let these haters know to please tune in to the MC Raider show. Bounce, rock, roller skate. There's only one nation, no debate. Mix the funk with the silver and black vibes, rocking the two-step and killing the whack vibe.
All right, we made it. We're out here, and they got the bombs out here. Check it out. We got it out here. There you go. This side. Yeah, we look like Richie Valens right here. Hello, right there. What's up, brother? This right here. What's up, brother?
Hey, man.
Good feeling, brother.
Alex, glad you like it, carnal.
Yeah.
A lot of love, a lot of dedication to this rampa, you know?
Yeah. What year is it, brother?
It's a 1933.
1933.
I have it for 25 years already. It was all stock, but when COVID hit, we had to drop it, customize it, you know, put a new suspension and all that stuff.
That's beautiful, man.
But yeah, so little touches of art.
Check it out.
Like the cohetes, the wood lights. I got the last supper on the back glass. Okay.
Oh, this is badass.
The leather work on the back.
What's your name, brother?
Alex.
Alex, nice to meet you, man.
Mucho gusto, man.
MC Raider, brother.
Nice to meet you, brother. Yeah, tag me if you have photos and shit.
I got you, yeah. I'll put you.
I'm under Master Ego 33 on Instagram.
All right.
Easy to remember, Master Ego.
Where did you come? Yeah. Check that out, right, dude. All right, guys, let's go inside, see what's cracking. Before you were born and I was born,
are going directly to him to help support him, and I believe he's actually actually working on the book
Hey, those
right
are
now, so
sick for the babies, huh?
That's actually, I'm the model.
Oh, there you
I'm the
go.
models of the model.
further
Yeah,
ado,
right.
I'm gonna
Oh, this is
introduce
badass.
to you Santiago, the
Oh, yeah.
voice through concrete.
This is you got Instagram?
Yes, it is.
All right. At Feed 'em at Fabulous. Check them out, guys. There you go.
Can I get a picture in front of the book?
Yeah, go for it, yeah.
Honey, it's right there.
With her?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
I got two beautiful boys, Santiago, baby Santiago, they call him Chongo, my little son Xavier. I love you guys with all my heart. But I just want to tell everybody thank you for your love, for your support. You guys can find me on my TikTok, on my website. I got two platforms, the Love Through Concrete, talking about love behind prison walls, and then my voice through concrete. So I just want to tell everybody thank you, you know. And in the end of the day, God is good, and I am who I am because of God. And in the end of the day, I'm the voice through concrete for everybody, you know. I'm a voice for people that have lost the voice for themselves. So again, God is good, and if you keep that first, I promise you, you can change me, you can change you too. You know, so at the end of the day, I appreciate everybody, you know. Here's my verse.
I was interested in that piece. I was asking
You got some good art right here. Check it out.
See, this is our new design. We took Freddy's walk-off hit, and we made it to
Oh, here it is.
Nice.
There it is. It's
That's
still
a
here.
new design that we threw
Pretty
together.
badass, huh?
Nobody's got
Who's that?
Don't you know now? So happy and so gay, I don't you know now?
40 minutes today.
So that's the thing people does. The only thing I put in the Fernando or down
I was actually not gonna come. I just came from a run right now. Did like a little marathon right here in MacArthur Park, and that's what I'm not dressed really properly. But what do you call yeah, I kind of subscribed my puppet into doing the run with me, and we both got a medal, which is pretty cool. And you know, this is the first time.
Sweeter than the taste of a cherry, so sweet. Yes, and I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of being loved by you. That's right, baby. I'm so proud of being loved by you.
MC Raiden.
No, man. Chill it,
I know what I hear. Fucking I hear.
The videos and shit,
Yeah, funny shit, bro.
Yeah, you were like, hey.
We got another special guest artist on the line with us, right? Behind the walls, right? Behind the walls. What? El Calipatria.
All right, guys, so we have another artist on the line, and he is currently
Well, that's pretty much it. A bunch of vendors, some food, music. Pretty cool atmosphere to bring the family, look at some nice cars. They have some badass lowrider bikes. And, you know, Angel baby right there. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. And you know, just came over here to get some content, show you guys how they do these events. Pretty cool. You know, a lot of veteranos with their ranflas and just having a good family time, man. Pretty cool. On to the next.